in action. We're back in the action, boys. Video that my manager highly requested I not make, but I'm doing it anyway. Here's the backstory. So when I say manager, his duty is to generally help me out with my sponsorships and stuff like that. My emails get flooded. It's hard to take care of all that stuff. He also helps me with social media appearances I might make, but he also helps me kind of on the front end of my website that I own, NameBranFam.com. We brainstorm how to promote it and we run it, and we have a little team behind us. So now that you know who he is, he hit me up a few weeks ago saying, hey NameBran, we don't have any sponsorships as of right now for the month of July, which is now, or June. And you know, maybe if we don't have any sponsorships, plug your website a little bit more. So, you know, I got that email, I thought on it a little bit, and I responded to him back. I was like, screw it, man, I'll make a full video, but here's my idea. So I told him my idea, and he wasn't too stoked about it. He said, Bran, that's stupid, don't do that. This is like cross-contaminating everything that we're trying to do with this website. You're being a douche. And then I said, f you, I'm doing it anyway. So what my idea was to order and unbox all of the lowest rated items on my website. I think if I'm gonna push any website down your throat, I may as well do it funnily with a good idea. I think that's the best way of promotion. Even though this might screw me over and it's probably a bad idea. First off, I'll tell you what the website's about if you guys haven't seen it. There's a link down below. But you guys know I sell jewelry on there and stuff like that. Anything we really talk about on the channel, I sell hats on there. I sell Selena Gomez stuff. I'm not gonna get a tat of Selena on my lip if I'm not gonna use her name for a little bit of money. Whatever we talk about, we sell it. So when I say I'm unboxing the lowest rated items on my website, we actually don't have a rating system, but what I'm unboxing is the least purchased items, which means people probably don't like it as much, and also items that when I do get complaints, items that people have complained about. So that's what we're doing. We're unboxing the shittiest items on my website. Let's go. NameBranFam.com, by the way, link down below. Also, I will say all these items are free. It says free on the website. They are, but you do gotta pay shipping. And one thing I don't say often because I don't want to, if you guys don't know about it, you can get 2 items for free with the price of 1 shipping, if that makes sense. So you can get 1 item free with shipping, or you can get 2 items free with shipping. Try not to say that too much, but that's a little secret for y'all. Anyway, let's get into it. Leave a big thumbs up, comment down below for me being honest. That would be great. Nah, but you guys know I like to be real talk. Unless I'm doing a bit or a shtick, I like to be real talk with y'all and just no bull. So that's what we're doing. I'm just gonna come out flat out honest with you guys of what I'm selling and why it may or may not suck. So we're just gonna start off the first thing that I already own, which is funny. Actually, nobody, and people have purchased everything else on the website, almost. Nobody has purchased this, which is weird. This is one that I use always. This is a Selena Gomez phone case. Her boobs are out. I don't really know why you guys aren't ordering it. Maybe because it's the worst phone case possible. You drop your phone, it's shattering. Like, there's no question. This is a bad phone case, but it's got a great picture. Anyway, that's one thing. I don't get it. It's a sick phone case. Just don't drop your phone. Don't do that. Then you're f***ed. Alright, man, next up, this is actually stuff I have packaged. We'll go for the smallest one first. We got a bunch of packages here. Ugh, this one. What's this one? Okay, a handful of people have purchased it. Not many though. And one thing I should say, I put everything on the website myself, or people do it for me, but I tell them what products to put on my website because I don't want to sell some bull. These are all hand-picked by me. Apparently this is a hand-picked one that was it says 23. I'll try to be unbiased, by the way. Wow, for the price, I mean, if you get 2 of them, I think it's worth the money. Okay, Bran, be honest. Personal opinion, I would never wear this. This sucks. It's not good, man. But if you wanted to wear it, I guess it's cool. It's not horrible. It's kind of low key. I feel like if you're gonna wear any fake jewelry, low key, something like that's kind of dope. So anyway, next package. Okay, so this one I actually got a complaint on. I'm surprised this one's not a better seller. It sells well, but this one I put in because I definitely got a complaint. It's got a Uzi, I think that's what it is. Regular chain, pretty cool once it got free on the website. But the one complaint I got is somebody didn't know that it said Supreme on it. And if you guys can see right there, it says Supreme. I don't know if y'all can see that, but let me check my phone and see what they said. Yeah, so in the email they said, this says Supreme on it. It didn't show that in the picture. It. I mean, maybe in the picture it showed the other side, which doesn't say it, which you can just wear it that way. I'm pretty sure I replied to him, thanks, dumbass. Apparently not the favorited item. I think it's kind of cool. Apparently it sucks. Oh, we have one more in this package. Yeah, this one also sucks. Real talk. So this one right here, Also free on the website. I'm not gonna lie, it looks a lot better on camera than it does in person. This one, I think since then I have changed because people are like, man, this looks horrible. So I got a better version of this one. The diamonds are just bad. There's a lot of space in between them. I can't remember where the email is where the person complained about it, but I remember it was something mad saying, hey, this sucks. I'm now starting to believe my manager. This might be a bad video idea. Another package. All right. Oh, this isn't bad. Off. Nobody orders this? As y'all can see, it's just a gold out studded diamond necklace or whatever. Once again, you can get 2 of these for the price of shipping, which is I think like 15 American or something like that. It's not good, but it's not bad. Don't be biased, brand. It's bad. It's not the best. I mean, the quality is not horrible. It's like a thick chain. It's sturdy. Maybe the diamonds just aren't that sick. As you guys can see, diamonds right there. It's not that bad. Looks kind of cool around the neck. I'm slowly regretting this more. Next up though, this one I can actually see comes with a little baggie. I think there's points for brand right there. This one's not bad at all. I don't know why y'all aren't ordering this. That's our diamond bracelet right there that we got on the site. I see no problem with that. You even have the diamonds on the clasp. That's a cool bracelet. That's one thing where I'll be like, hey, I'm actually stoked I'm running this website. That's a good product. Next up, this is a ring actually. Nobody has purchased, so there's no real bad ratings on it. I thought it was really good. This one also costed money on the website, so I actually took it off. I just assumed that it was maybe too much, but there's definitely one like it that is less money, if not free on the website. I think it looks sick. Is it gonna turn your finger green? Probably at one point. Wash your hands, you know, after you wash the green off and keep wearing the you know what I mean? Got diamonds all studded out, man. This thing looks gnarly. All right, next up. Okay, so this one right here, I think I might have made a mistake putting it on the website for sure. This one says clout. The diamonds aren't bad on it. I don't disagree with you guys not buying this. No, it looks fake for sure, actually. It does. I don't fault you guys for not buying that. And I think that was a bad decision on my part. How do I get it off? Oh, God. Last up, remember NameBranFan.com. Link is down below. Can guarantee you probably want to shop after this stuff. I'm just being mad honest. You gotta remember for the price you're paying, you're not gonna get the craziest type of stuff. This next one, I can already feel in the package. Yeah. So I wanted to leave this for last because this is one I haven't seen yet. Oh no, this one's sick. This one I got a complaint on and not many orders. It's just a regular dope styled watch. I don't know. It's nothing flashy, but it's a watch, and if it works, it works. I think the inside was kind of dope, which is why I added it to the website. Not gonna lie, a little flimsy. It's definitely not the best quality. I mean, watches are watches. As long as it works for me, that's good. Don't go rock climbing in this, nor fisting anyone with this, because you will lose it. That actually, I'm very stoked for. I have not seen this in person, and I think that's actually kind of sick right there. That's one thing where I think I've said a couple good things about these pieces, but this one I think is actually really dope. Anyway, man, that's the video. A bunch of stuff that we just unboxed from my website that apparently people don't like and or complained about. NameBran fans real strong, murking the game, the greatest of all time. Wanted to come at y'all with just a no BS video. Just something that you guys can watch and know I'm being honest on. Especially when it's product I'm selling. I think that's dope. I think that's better than making sales. Knowing that I'm just like letting y'all know the facts behind it. This is what I think about it. And you guys can make your own judgment from there. Appreciate y'all for watching. Murking the game once again, the greatest of all time. Y'all, the NameBran goes blow.